Most people think that after 50, losing your balance and strength is just part of getting old. They are wrong. In the Shaolin Temple, there is a saying, strength starts from the floor. If you want to walk without pain, stand without help, and keep your independence for the next 30 years, you don't need a gym. You need one single posture, the horse stance, or Ma Bu. Today, I'm putting aside the theories and showing you exactly how to master this ancient secret. No generic clips, no confusion. Just a step-by-step masterclass designed for your body, right now. Why this move? Because it is the ultimate isometric hold. For those over 50, lifting heavy weights can sometimes stress the joints. But the horse stance builds dense strength. It strengthens your bones, stabilizes your knees, and fixes your posture by forcing your spine into alignment. It's not just about muscles, it's about qi, your internal energy flow. Let's start with your feet. This is where most people fail. Step 1, stand with your feet together. Now, turn your toes out, then your heels out. Repeat this until your feet are roughly 2 shoulder widths apart. Step 2, your toes must point straight forward. Not out like a duck, and not in. Straight. This protects your knee ligaments. Step 3, look at your back. Do not lean forward. Imagine a string pulling the top of your head toward the ceiling while your tailbone sinks toward the floor. You don't need to go low on day 1. If you are a beginner, stay high. Your thighs should feel a slight burn, but your knees should never feel sharp pain. As you get stronger, sink lower until your thighs are parallel to the floor. This is the true horse. Keep your hands on your hips or stretched out in front of you. Breathe deeply into your belly. If you find your mind wandering, focus on the soles of your feet gripping the earth. I see many people making these mistakes. Don't let your knees cave inward, push them out slightly so they stay over your ankles. And never hold your breath. In Shaolin training, the breath is the fuel. If you stop breathing, your muscles will cramp and you will lose the benefit. Here is your challenge, start with just 30 seconds today. Every morning, add 5 seconds. By the end of the month, you will be standing in a solid horse stance for minutes, and your legs will feel like iron. If this clear breakdown helped you, please hit the like button so I know to make more no-nonsense tutorials like this. Tell me in the comments, how many seconds did you hold it today? I'll be reading and replying to help you out. Stay strong, stay ageless. I'll see you in the next one.